right, made it to my stateroom, 8481. As normal, my cards and everything is here. Premier Cruises. Look at that in a sec. Ooh, VIP. And that is me. Has a peephole here. Not sure what that's about. Has another peephole at the bottom. So I like this room. It has 2 peepholes. So as it come in, there's a card here. Turn the light on.
Kids under 6 are not allowed in the rollers. Guests must be 42 inches to ride the slide. When riding the slide, ride feet first on your back, full times across your chest, and cross your legs at your legs. Any guest would like to ride activities, they're available at
Okay. We're gonna cover a lot of safety tests today. Go, pool, life jacket.
As soon as you walk in, Shaq is on the screen. Hey, Shaquille.
And all of us at Carnival Cruise Line. Boys, my lunch, and as always, be safe. It's the best way to have fun.
All right, so if you are booked in from cabin, if you're booked in cabin 8481, this is what you will see as soon as you enter the room. You have the bed here, desk area there, closet over in the back, bathroom here. So let me see what all we got going on here. Key card. We have the peepholes. One and a lower one. Emergency instructions. TV front and center. A little table with some pool towels. The remote. Some glasses. And closet. Let's see what the closet looks like. Oh, 2 different sides. One for the hangers and your dresses. And why is there not a bar here? I would expect the bar to be there. Plenty of shelving and drawers, at least for one. So if you have 2 people, probably need to pack a little bit lighter. Alrighty. Let's see here. Got your nightstand, lamp, and something is in this drawer. What is this? I guess this is the extra linen in case they make this 2 separate beds. I'm not sure why that's still in that nightstand because I would want to use that nightstand for storage. So I'll ask my cabin storage to get rid of these. Let me turn the TV down so I can hear myself think. Alrighty. Now let's see, looks like both sides are the same as far as, since this is a handicap accessible room, we have the push button for assistance, the light switch, and 4 outlets. I'm not disappointed, 2 on each side. Alright. Nice bed. I don't know, this bed, it's supposed to be a queen when the two fulls are together, but it almost looks like a king. I'm not mad. Another nightstand. Let's see here. Did they leave anything down there? No, this was good. All right. So let's see the desk area. Nice. A little stool for me to sit on. 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. Nothing for those. That's just the power for the mirror. What they got? I got something here, probably excursion. Open that in a sec. Let me know what activities are happening. Good to know. No smoking, no worries here. A phone that I'm sure I'll never use. Oh, okay, so we have more closet space. All right, so that is closet for one person, and this can be for someone else. So I'm not mad at the storage after all. Can pack everything. Bring everything. I'm mad that there's not a shelf here. Where are the bars, Carnival? What's going on? Where are the hangers down there? Alrighty. I'm not impressed with that, but it's not a big deal, nothing to worry about. All right, we got more hangers here. This one has the bar, yay. Looks like my life jackets, just in case, a spot for shoes. I'm really liking that they have the full length mirror. All of the cabins don't have that, so hey. All right, y'all get 2 thumbs up for that mirror. Now let's see here, my little drawer. Can't really keep any personal stuff in it because this is permanently attached. Now, are these some complimentary USB wires? Won't fit my phone. I don't know what it goes to, but security guide and port directory. Yep, I will check that out later. And the refrigerator mini bar. Let's see, that's cool but not cold. Just so you know, this is not a fridge or a medical storage device. If you need to store medication, please let your stateroom attendant know. So there you go. It's not a fridge, it's just a mini bar. It's gonna keep things cool but not cold. And this part feels pretty cold. This part doesn't feel cold at all. So yeah, it's a mini bar, not a fridge. Alrighty. So let's get a look at the room from this angle. Not too shabby. Of course, this thing here, put luggage on and then slide it up under the bed. And let's see, the bathroom, cabin automatic door push button to operate. Do not force the door open. So, do we think that's gonna open the bathroom or the exit door? Since it says cabin automatic door, I think it's gonna open the front door. Oh, let me back up. Okay, so here's the AC and heat control. We will leave that on cool because we are in the middle of summer and we're going to the Caribbean. I like these extra hooks. Nice touch, Carnival. All right, so let's see which door is this gonna open. Ah, the exit door. There we go. So make sure you close the bathroom door, because if you leave it open, your cabin door will not close.
I forgot some safety pins.
They're in there.
Did you give us some we get?
And we say this room comes equipped with French doors.
Is that your footstool or theirs?
Mine.
No.
It's a footstool, you're right. All right. Or if you just want to people watch and you want your door to stay open, just leave your bathroom door open and the cabin door will never close. And I believe once you leave out in your chair, it should close back automatically. There we go. Alrighty then. So this one looks like it's the bathroom light. I don't know what that is for. It's not really doing anything. This is probably the bathroom light, but let's open this. Yep. Nice wide door. Good job on the hooks, Carnival. Have some on the top and on the bottom for those who are not able to get out of their chair. Alrighty. Not sure what's going on with this little towel thing on the floor. I guess that's a floor mat. Let's see. Towels everywhere. Huh, that's an interesting little shelf up there. Towels, commode. For extra tissue, I guess. Shower is pretty wide. Perfect for accessible usage. Curtain is pretty nice. No conditioner. We have shampoo and shower gel, which is fine for me. I won't be using shampoo this cruise, but nice shower gel. Of course, the pull the cord for assistance in the handicap accessible units. Your warning label. So this side will turn the water on and off, and this side will control the temperature, and it even tells you how many degrees it will be. 35, 30, we got 38 up here. So, of course, always check. And this is a nice little addition. Not only do you have this clothesline, which will go over on that side, you also have a lower one for those who cannot reach the high one. So put that in like that. Oh, good job, Carnival. Good job. Good job. Alrighty. So that is the shower. I love that there is a light in the shower itself. Otherwise, it would be pretty dark over there. My last cruise, they did not have a light over the shower, and I mean, do you really need to see much when you're in the shower? At least you just have, as long as you have enough light to see yourself getting in and out, you should be okay. Oh, there's a soap dish too. Cool. But to me, it is helpful to have a light. I think I just feel better when there's a light in the shower. Let's see. We got some shelving here. This is nice feature. The light around the mirror. Looks like you have your outlet for your shavers. Give you some hand soap. Nice vanity mirror, makeup mirror, magnifying mirror. Yep. Oh, there's another shaver outlet over here. Extra tissue is on the floor. Interesting. Why wouldn't they just put it over here where it belongs? That it's on the floor. It's really kind of odd to me. I think they would just put it over here, so when you need it, it's right there handy. Not sure why they put it on the floor. What y'all doing, Carnival? Anyway, trash can. Don't expect to have a lot of trash. Put that out of the way for now. Alrighty, let's see the sink. Are you able to close it? And uh-oh, what did I do? Uh-oh. Look. I done broke something already. Look at me. We'll have to ask them about that. But y'all, look at my hair, okay? You see how my hair is done? This is not my hair. It ain't a big deal, but really, Carnival. Little details. You don't want to go to your bathroom and find hair in the sink and you haven't even used it and it ain't your hair. Yeah. I mean, things like this, you know, it's not really, I don't know if it's just stained and needs to be caulked or if it really actually needs to be cleaned. That kind of stuff doesn't bother me, but some people it will bother, so. That's the condition of this room. There's extra lighting up top. Like that. Glasses. This is the view of the room from the bathroom. And view of the bathroom from the room. Nice, nice. I'm really impressed with the little shelf. I don't know what I would use it for, but I'm still impressed. All right, y'all, that is cabin 8481 on Carnival Vista. Alrighty. Came home to this today. This is day 6 of an 8-day cruise. All right. Cute little swan. Let me take a picture. Oh, how nice. It says Premier US Gray Red Packable Tote Bag from the casino. This is a Premier cruise that I'm on. Please enjoy this Premier gift item with our compliments. Carnival Players Club. Thank you, Carnival Players Club.